I'll guide you through how to add money to PayPal from a debit card. I want to go and add some money, so what you need to do is click on Home in the bottom left like so, then go to the top and click on your balance. You're going and be brought to this page. Here you can then go and tap on Add Money just like so now, or Transfer. Go and add money just like now. You can go and click Transfer, and then you're going to be taken to this page here, and what we can do is choose a way to add funds, and it says link an eligible debit card to add funds, and you can go and tap there. And what you can then do is we can start adding in our card details here. It does need to be a Visa or debit card, and what you can do is start typing in the number. Alternatively, you can go and scan your card as well. After you've entered your details, you can change the billing address if needed. You can tap on link card and add the money. It's that simple.